Welcome back, y'all. So today we're going to be talking about iPads on this Tech Tuesday. And what about iPads? Well, how to turn your iPads into a one-stop shop for all your filming and editing needs. We'll also teach you how to screen record. But let's get right to it. Let's just get straight to it. So with your iPad, you can already film stuff. It has apps and whatnot. But here, let me show you something. So you can see right here that we're just filming ourselves. And it's not the steadiest, and there's some gain, and the video doesn't look very well, and it probably doesn't sound too well. Let's give it a listen. Yeah, listen. This is me talking. So yeah, it doesn't sound the best either. So this doesn't sound very good or anything like that, but you can improve that with things like the Padcaster. Now, what is the Padcaster? Well, the Padcaster is just a collection of accessories for your iPad. It comes with a case to snap your iPad into. It comes with a shotgun mic that you can mount onto the case that you put your iPad in. It also comes with a little accessory that you have to plug into the shotgun mic and then plug into your iPad to actually get the external mic to work properly. And it also lets you mount the iPad onto a tripod. But I actually already have a video on the Padcaster. If you're interested to learn more about the Padcaster, you can click on it right here. It should be right here. But that's enough about the Padcaster. Let's move on to the next thing. Let's talk about screen recording. So you swap up and you can see right here there's this little red dot. And that little red dot is your recording. But you may not have that there. If you don't have that there, go to your settings and then go to your control center and customize controls. And you'll see right here screen recording is on the include. Now it may be down here on your do not include. So just be sure to check that out. And just make sure you add that to your include section. So once you have that included, you should see this here. And when you click it, it will give you a 3-second countdown. As soon as the 3 seconds are up, it will start recording your audio and the video of your screen. If for some reason your iPad doesn't have that in your control options, in your control center, then that means your iPad probably just isn't compatible with it, or your iPad's just out of date. So be sure to update your iPad, or else you may not even have that at all. But now you know you can record wherever you want. So let's say you just want to play some Fortnite, there you go. Now you can record yourself playing Fortnite and put it on YouTube or whatever you want to do. Okay, so now that you know how to screen record and how to record using the cameras on your iPad, let's talk about editing. So Apple's designed iMovie, which is typically just for Macs, they designed it so it now works on iPads. So just go over to the App Store and download iMovie, and let's just hop right into it. iMovie can be found on the App Store. If it doesn't show up, then your iPad may not be compatible. So just look up on the App Store iMovie and it should pop up and it should be free. So after you download it, just open it up. Okay, and here we go. We have iMovie. So you can see here it says tap to add video up here, or you can just record straight from iMovie. But I already have some footage that I'd like to put on here. So let's check it out. So just hit the little plus symbol and you can add it in. You can press play, you can play it. But let's just add in these clips. Let's check them out. It's clicked on the screen. So you can see there's a video up top and down below is your audio from that session. Now, if you don't like the audio that you heard in the video, you can always click over here on the microphone and you can record your own. Okay, so right here you can see the audio levels. Green is good, yellow is all right, but if you hit the red, you might want to check out your speaking volume, maybe lower a few octaves. So iMovie works both vertically and horizontally. I personally edit like horizontally, so you may want to edit like that too. You can actually see more of your timeline like that. So you can see one clip is far shorter than the other one. But if you look below, you have your speed, your volume, your titles, and your filter. So let's just add my title. So let's do a standard little title here. So this is Tech Tuesday, so let's put Tech Tuesday here. All right, look at that. So you can see you can just add text and all that good stuff. If you don't want to add text, you can just take it off. It's not a big deal. Volume, you can, if you're too quiet, you can turn it up. You can turn it down. You can turn it up. It's whatever you want. You can add filters. So if you want to color grade your footage, here you go. You may not want to at all though. You might want something like this. That's fine. And then there's action. You can remove the audio altogether if you don't like the audio. You may not even want audio at all, so you can always just detach it in post-production. And if you click on the ends here, you can click this yellow, and you can actually shorten it. And you can do that to both ends. You just gotta scroll to the end and shorten it. So let's say you like this portion, you can split that, and now you can put something else in between here, just in case you want to. And you can also add dissolves. So let's play this here and you'll see. I add a dissolve. Okay, you can see the dissolve happen where the two kind of just played into each other. You can't really tell much of a difference, but right here you can see there's actually another effect. If we play it right here, you can see the dissolve actually work there. So we can actually zoom in with your two fingers, just like you know how you would do on any app, just pinch in or pinch out. So we're going to pinch in here, and you can see that it's now getting larger. So now it should be easier to edit, yeah. So let's just drag this to where he's not on screen. Now that he's not on screen, let's play it, and it looks better already.
Make sure you hook
but we might want it to be a little longer, so you can actually see what he's doing. And yeah, that's basically all he's doing there. But okay, so you can see, I can zoom out here and get all this video. But this is how iMovie works. I mean, there's not much to it. It works really well, and you can add all kinds of different stuff. You can add theme music. You can change the pitch of your voice, and some simple effects like that. And you can just, you know, if there's some more you want to add in, just add it in. But and once you're done with the movie, just go up and hit done. And there you go, your movie's finished. Okay, but that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. So if you have any more suggestions, please let me know at this email right here. Is that it? Right here, around here. And if there's anything else you'd like to see, let me know. If you have any questions about this video or past videos, let me know as well. Also, be sure to check out the Holler.org and the Holler store for some cool Holler merch. But that's it for today, so I'll holler at you later.